Okay, real quick, I just wanted to go over the build for this door. This here is a foamy door. It's for the blue goose, and so it's a little bit out of sequence for the build. I'm going to go ahead and release this because it might be helpful to someone. So I hope you enjoy the videos. I might as well start releasing some of the blue goose videos due to the weather conditions and just to keep you informed of the build and to help those that are interested along with another build as well, so you can get an idea of how it's coming along. But at any rate, thank you for watching. I will be trying to see how to make this door work. The window I'll be using in a different location. I used a camper shell for my doors and windows. This here is the fellow I found mine, that I picked mine up from. It shows you have one for like $50. There's another one for $50. There's one there for $50. You also have this one here. This is for $20. And then as well as this one. And this one here is free. So, and once again, I'd like to send a shout out to David, the fellow I picked my camper shell up from. But I have other items. I found glue, I found foam. There's other items, so use Facebook to your advantage. And this is, like I said, I'm using camper shell windows for my Foamy. And these videos, this set will show you how I go about doing it for the door. This door measures 30 inches, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do for that. What I'm gonna try for my door, this craft paper happened to be 30 inches. So I'm gonna measure out the height that I want the door and sit it wherever I want it. And like I said, once I measure the height, it's already the width, I'll paste this in place or fix this in place and take it from there. There is my door, 6.5 feet tall, 30 inches wide. I went around and rounded the corners. Now my plans for using this window is on the door, place it somewhere around in there. Before I go any further with the installation of these windows, I want to get them cleaned up. I'm going to set this one in the door at that angle. Now I'm going to just go around and take this edge off. Then we'll press it down and see what kind of fit we have.
There was something on your roof. Principal Ricks had a sleep, and there was a bunch of foot on each.
I wonder will go somewhere in there to that effect. This is one of the main reasons I didn't want to cut the door opening in at the moment, but we'll be able to patch that in.